Hello and welcome to this Connect video. In this video, we are going to take a look at the Connect map drawings, how to create them, and what type of map drawings you can create. So when you go to button number 3 and you click on map, you will see here 3 types of map drawings. First one is connections map, second one is Doppler's map, and the third one is no connect map. I'll start with creating a map drawing for level 1. So I'll use a connections map. The drawing settings, I'll use connect map. This is the size of the drawing, and connect detail for the view settings. Then I'll click on create to create that map drawing. Okay, the map drawing is created. Let's take a look. I'll increase the scale. So if we look at this beam, for example, the beam size is W18 by 35, and you have at the top here the connection code, one in blue and one in magenta, and on the left side there is a symbol and numbers, and right side as well there is a symbol and some numbers. To understand what those numbers means and what this code means, there is a code legend here at the bottom left corner. In this code legend, you will find, first of all, the connection code at the blue end is representing this end, the blue one, and it has the framing condition is divided into segments. The first one is the framing condition, so it's BB means beam to beam, connection type S or 1BB or whatever, then the group number, and then the connection ID number. So if we go back to the connection, so BCW means beam to column web, SE means extended shear plate, S means shear only loads. This is the 1209 is a group number, and this number is the other number is the connection ID number. Now let's take a look at the symbols. So what those symbols mean. So if it's a solid circle, it means shear plate. A hollow circle, extended shear plate. The square means full depth shear plate, etc. So when you go back here, so this is extended shear plate. The numbers means the reaction and the capacity. So the reaction is 57 and capacity is 58. And that's how you read the connection map drawing. It will also highlight locations where there are no connections. For example, this location here at the magenta end, it says no connect 170. So this is the location of the no connect connection, or the location where connect was unable to design the connection. And this number 170 is the code number. So this is the first type, which is a map drawing. The second type of connections map, the second type of map drawings is called Doppler's map. And I'm going to show you an example of a Doppler. So this connection has a Doppler plate. If I double click and go to the Doppler's report, in the Doppler report, it will show the beam size, the reactions, and beam capacity without Doppler, and also the doubler plate dimensions, and choice 1 and choice 2 to avoid using doubler by upsizing the beam size. So choice 1 is to upsize to W14 by 26 instead of W14 by 22. And choice 2 is to upsize to W16 by 26. So you can show this information of upsizing in the map drawing if you want. And to do this, you go to button number 3. You go to map. I'll choose level 2. The GA drawing setting, I'll use connect doublers and connect doublers view. And on the map type, I'll choose doublers. Then I'll click on create. Let's close this. So I'm going to zoom into the location where there is doubler just to show you quickly. So as you can see here, the choice 1 and choice 2 to avoid using doublers are shown on the drawing at the particular end where there is a doubler. So this is the second type, which is the doubler map drawing. The third type of map drawing you can create is called the no connections map, and this will only highlight the locations where there are no connections, like this one. If we double click this red cone here, it will show the reason why this connection was not designed under the connection status. And there's another here. Any red cone with no connection, it will highlight it. So for the example, this one is framing condition not yet supported by Connect because it's supposed to beam connection. To create the no connection map, first you go to inspect. This is different, not like the other maps where you go directly to the maps button. You go to inspect, and you need to go to no connection reason or no connect reasons and check all the reasons and then click on apply. Then you go to map. I'm going to use for plan level 2 and no connect selected. So you can choose which no connect reason to include or not include by doing this check. Those numbers actually we have a list of the number and what it means, so you can compare against this list. So I'm gonna highlight all of the cases, and I will use connect no connection in the drawing settings and connect no connection view and no connection map drawing type. Then I'll click on create for level 2. Okay, so this map drawing will highlight the no connect at each end. So this is no connect 344. This is no connect with code number 24. So if there are other no connect like this one, no, there are connections here. This one, no connect 24. Yeah. And this one is 344, only those two connections. And that's how you can create the no connect map drawings. So that's it. And thank you for watching this video.